In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your YouTube channel to Restream, a fantastic platform for broadcasting your content across multiple channels simultaneously. If you're a content creator aiming to expand your audience reach, this quick and straightforward setup will be essential. To get started, make sure you've already logged into your Restream dashboard. This is where you can manage all your streaming destinations with ease. Next, on the dashboard, look for the Channels section. Depending on your current setup, you might see channels right away or an option labeled Add Channel. Click on whichever is available to you. This opens up a list of potential streaming platforms you can connect to. Once you see the list, locate and select YouTube. Selecting YouTube will trigger a Google authorization screen. At this point, you'll need to choose which Google account is linked to your YouTube channel, especially if you have multiple accounts. Ensure you select the account that actually owns the YouTube channel you intend to stream to, rather than just a manager or editor role, as full ownership is required for this process. After selecting the correct account, a pop-up may appear asking for your permission. It's crucial here to click Allow. By doing so, you're granting Restream the necessary permissions to stream to your YouTube channel on your behalf. Once permission is granted, you'll be redirected back to the Restream dashboard, and just like that, your YouTube channel will appear as a streaming destination in your available list. From this point onwards, you can choose YouTube as a target whenever you set up a live stream through Restream. Before you move ahead to streaming, let's quickly talk about some prerequisites. YouTube requires that your channel has live streaming enabled. If it's not already, you'll need to verify your YouTube account with a phone number. Bear in mind, this process can take up to 24 hours the first time you activate it, so plan your schedule accordingly. And importantly, the owner credentials are necessary for integration with Restream, not just those of a channel manager. With these steps completed, you're all set to stream live to YouTube using Restream. Remember, the setup we discussed today is a one-time process. Going forward, whenever you wish to stream, YouTube will be available in your Restream dashboard, making the process seamless and efficient for future broadcasts. I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy streaming, and see you in the next video.